to make coconut milk and egg mask at home for hair growth. To make this mask, you will need the following ingredients: 1 egg white, 5 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and a shower cap. Directions: use an electric beater to whisk the egg white until it is fluffy. Now, add the coconut milk and whisk again. Further, add the vitamin E oil to this mixture, and apply this mask to your scalp and hair. Later, cover your hair with a shower cap and let the mixture sit for 20 minutes. In the end, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and cool water. Tip: avoid warm water to prevent cooking the egg. For best results, you have to use this treatment once a week. Eggs are loaded with vitamins E, C, and B12. The deficiency of these nutrients has a connection with hair loss. This egg white hair mask is highly effective, especially for oily and combination hair types. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.